Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. BJP indicates that Sripad Naik may not contest this assembly election. Bleak possibility of his return to local politics. Ramesh Tavadkar, front runner for Concord. TCP to declare names of people asking for settlement zones in their land. SLC resolves to look into all issues raised on RP. DGP says raids on clubs carrying out illegal activities to continue, calls drugs and prostitution side effects of tourism. Fourth edition of No Goa program concludes. Participants found state unique with cultural identity, says state could be a model to replicate in the country. Goa River Marathon Season 2 with prize booty of 6 lakh rupees. National and international marathon runners from Kenya, Ghana, USA confirmed. Gulpanag leads celebrity participation. And East Bengal grow in confidence. English coach Trevor James Morgan targets victory over Dempo to announce title challenge. Now the news in detail. In a major turnaround, BJP has given indications that Sripad Naik may not contest Goa election. He may not enter local politics. This has come as a major shock to BJP activists who were waiting for Sripad's re-entry into assembly arena. The first list of probables did not carry Sripad's name.
In what can be seen as a major poll decision for the BJP, the party has indicated that North Goa MP Sripad Naik would not be allowed to contest assembly election. Highly placed sources say that he is needed for a bigger role at centre. When Prudent contacted Sripad Naik, this is what he said. Nothing is decided yet. I will do whatever central leadership of the party tells me. I will contest if they want. I won't if they refuse to relieve me. Top BJP leaders from Delhi, on the condition of anonymity, maintain following facts to Prudent media. The possibility of Sripad contesting Goa assembly election is bleak. He is one of our senior leaders at the centre and we need him for a major responsibility at centre. Meanwhile, top leaders of the state BJP had an informal meeting with Nitin Gadkari in Delhi on Monday night. They had a broad discussion on election strategy and campaign program for the forthcoming assembly election. This is what Manohar Parrikar told us. We are not sure when the election will be held, whether in February or May. We don't want our campaign to get neglected if it happens along with UP polls in May. So we had to discuss about our national campaigners. Leaders like Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley will be BJP's star campaigners. State President of the BJP, Lakshmikant Parsekar, told us following approach towards the campaign. We will call national leaders who are well versed with Goa and go well with Goan people. We want our campaign to be systematic and appealing. Sources say that message from the leaders is very clear. If you can't win the seat, make sure that the Congress also loses it. But the issue of ticket allotment for Concord remains. Highly placed sources say that Ramesh Tavadkar is right now the front runner. Vijay Pai Khoth will most probably be denied the BJP ticket, and people close to Khoth maintain that he will take his political decision once BJP formally announces Ramesh's name. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Town and Country Planning Department will release a list of people who have applied for conversion of their fields into settlement zone. Special Committee on Regional Plan had its very important meeting at Panchi on Tuesday. The meeting has resolved to solve the queries related to regional plan.
Sources from Town and Planning Department have revealed that many people have applied for transferring their land into settlement zones. Some politicians are also striving to transfer agricultural land into settlement zones in their respective constituencies. Recently, Goa Bachao Abhiyan had demanded to release names of people demanding settlement of their lands.
We are going to ask the TCP to give us who has put in what correction, and then that becomes documentary evidence to show who has asked for changes.
Now sources have informed that TCP will release names of people applying for settlement zones of their lands. Dates for applying for rectification in the plans have been extended to 20th of December. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa police have decided to carry out more raids in coastal areas to check prostitution and other crimes. On Monday, DGP Aditya Arya had raided a club at Kalangut. Police say they would take more action against illegal activities if they receive more inputs from general public. But police department may take some more days to file FIR in IDC's SEZ land allotment case, as DGP is scrutinizing the complaint given by Parrikar.
In past few days, many illegal activities have been reported in coastal region. Some say raid on a club at Kalangut is just the tip of an iceberg. Home Minister Ravi Naik says police are doing their best to curtail illegalities and people should come forward with such complaints.
आपने क्या कुछ रेड मारा, कुछ किया कालांगुत में पूछ रहा है क्या वो कंप्लीट क्लब जो है उनके ऊपर भी मारना चाहिए
नहीं करेंगे we'll go one by one.
Sir, will you also check why local police were not acting all the way?
No, it is not like that. No. You see, what has happened, I had already requested my SP Tari. Tari has told me that it has been stopped. The raids will be conducted as and when the information is received. You give information, come to me, we'll do it. There's no problem.
Arya feels that activities related to drugs, prostitution and liquor are side effects of tourism. Arya said that he would take some more time to study a 150-page complaint filed by Parrikar against Pratap Singh Rane, Luisin Falero and Babu Kavlekar in the IDC matter. FIR may not be registered till DGP scrutinizes the complaint.
वो हम अभी स्क्रूटनाइज कर रहे हैं, हम उसको पढ़ रहे हैं और it is almost 150 pages or so. And I've already told honorable member of the honorable opposition leader also, sir, I'll take some time to go into it. And till I'm satisfied, I'll not mark it to anybody for preliminary inquiry.
So
yeah.
you're personally going through?
Yeah, yes. It is 150-page complaint.
However, Ravi Naik has given clean chit to the organizers of Sunburn Party in Kandalam. Naik says no drugs were sold during Sunburn Party during its past years. Sunburn organizers are yet to take permission of the police department.
Drugs काय ना पोरो आम्ही पुलिस भितर दवरल्यात असे लोक बोवाळ करता म्हणून बेश्टेच पोलो पुलिस भितर सगळे पुलिस आहेत भितर काय जावना.
Earlier in the day, DGP Aditya Arya and Home Minister Ravi Naik took part in Home Guard Raising Day ceremony in Panji. Some Home Guards and civil defense volunteers were felicitated during the ceremony. Live demonstration of rescue operation by civil defense volunteers and Home Guards was also conducted during the event. Government is now thinking about increasing salaries of Home Guards to Rs 300 per day and increasing their number to 1,750 personnel. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Muharram was observed in the state on Tuesday. This is considered as an auspicious occasion for the Muslims. Shias and Sunnis have their own way to mark the day. It is considered to be a sacred event. This is the first month of Islamic calendar.
Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar. Some Muslims fast during daylight hours on the 9th and 10th or 10th and 11th day of the month. They also attend special prayer meetings in mosque. Some Muslims regard Muharram as the month of mourning, commemorating the battle of Karbala.
हम लोग इमाम हुसैन अली मुकाम का जिक्र करते हैं 10 दिन लगातार बयान होता है उनका पूरा वाक़ियात बयान किए जाते हैं और आज का दिन जो है आशूरे का दिन जो 10वीं का दिन बोलते हैं ये एक दिन खास जो है नमाजें की जाती हैं और खिचड़ा
Muslims prepare a special dish on this day, khichda. This is distributed amongst the fellow Muslims in the mosque. It is prepared by using various lentils. They also distribute juices and various type of sharbats. A video journalist Sarvesh Veruskar from Panji.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.